How did life on Earth go from single-celled organisms to humans writing YouTube scripts? The answer is evolution, the process that explains how all living things are connected and how species change over time. Let's explain it, simply. 1. What is evolution? At its core, evolution means change over time. Species don't stay the same forever. They adapt, split, or sometimes go extinct. Over billions of years, these small changes add up, creating the incredible diversity of life we see today. 2. Natural selection. Charles Darwin's big idea was natural selection. In every generation, organisms have slight differences, some better suited for survival. The individuals with those advantages are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing those traits on. Over time, helpful traits spread, and species adapt to their environments. Think of it like nature's version of trial and error. 3. Variation and mutation. But where do new traits come from? The answer is mutation, tiny changes in DNA. Most mutations don't matter, but occasionally one gives an advantage. Sharper eyesight, better camouflage, resistance to disease. Combined with variation already present in a population, mutations drive evolution forward. 4. Evidence for evolution. How do we know evolution is real? We see it everywhere. Fossils show a record of life changing over time. Comparative anatomy shows similar structures, like the bones in a human hand, a bat's wing, and a whale's fin. DNA evidence shows all living things share a common genetic language. Even in real time, we've observed bacteria evolving resistance to antibiotics. 5. Common misunderstandings. Evolution doesn't mean humans came from monkeys. Instead, humans and monkeys share a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago. It also doesn't mean life has a goal. Evolution isn't aiming to make things smarter or stronger. It's about adapting to survive right now. 6. Why it matters. Understanding evolution isn't just about history. It impacts medicine, conservation, and even how we prepare for the future. It explains why we need new flu vaccines every year, how species are threatened by climate change, and why protecting biodiversity is critical. So, evolution is the story of life constantly changing. Through natural selection, mutation, and adaptation, the tree of life has grown into everything from tiny microbes to blue whales to us. To keep your mind sharp, subscribe for more big ideas explained simply.